my channel. Y'all, I hope y'all are in good spirits. I hope y'all are having a glamorous day. Today we are going to review a tree that I got from Koopower. Koopower reached out to me to do the review on one of their products. So they let me choose, and I chose this tree. Y'all, this tree is just amazing so far. I haven't put it up, but just in research, this tree is the tree of all trees to me. I found that it was, according to, like I said, research, it is less work to put up, because I had my Christmas tree up. My daughter-in-law and my daughter put up my Christmas tree. When I tell y'all, I walked past that Christmas tree so many times, like, who gonna put the, well, it's pre-lit, but I always put extra lights on it. So I'm like, who finna put the lights on it? Who's gonna decorate it? Like, who's gonna do all this year? I'm not, you know. So when they reached out to me, I was like in awe, because I was like, hey, you know what? Boom. And we're going to the cabins this year for Christmas, my family. So we are going to actually take this tree with us so that we can have a tree. And the thing is I see that it is easy setup, lightweight. I'm like, who could ask for anything, you know, who can ask for anything better? So we are going to get right into this video, and we're going to put this tree up. And y'all, I'm telling y'all, y'all gonna love this tree. I don't think y'all gonna buy another regular traditional tree again after this. Stay tuned. This is the box that the other stuff came in. Excuse me, y'all. This is the box, and these are the instructions. Y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all this right now. I'm probably gonna mess up or whatever, but y'all bear with me, because this is like, I'm doing this myself, it's real. So what comes out of here is, let's see, the lights. Okay, here, the lights. Now this I don't like setting up lights, but we'll see how this works. Okay, so I think I have to reposition this camera. I don't know, but y'all, I'm doing a real review here, and y'all seeing me like, I'm not like editing. I'm gonna be real about this whole entire thing. So let's see what's in here. Okay, this is the tree. This is parts of the tree. This is dumping out. Okay, so what came with this is this box. It came in this box, and y'all, when I saw this thin box, I was like, what's in there? You know, can't be a Christmas tree. It was, I was like, what is this? But it was. So I'm gonna see if I can put this up without instructions. That's like, you know, well, minimal instructions. Like, that's gonna be like everything. Okay, I guess that's how I do it, you know. Let's see. So, like, you have to, like, find this little area right here. And I think it goes with the top part. I think that's how it is. Let me see, because it's a little wiggly. So let's see if I do it wrong. No, it is. Okay, so hopefully this easily connects with this. And it did. So you just take the tree over and boom. Honey, baby, that is what I'm talking about. I like this. This is cute. Now, let's see if I can put the the lights on with no problem. That's gonna be my problem, y'all. So this is the adapter. And let's see how long the cord is, because what if you want to put it like in the middle of the floor with minimal cords or whatever? Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I hate setting stuff up, but I have to say that this is not really, so far, I'm gonna put it like that, it's really not like hard. And I'm not I don't do this, I don't put stuff up because I'm just not good at it. Now, I did not read the instructions, so so far, everything I put up was very, very simple. So I don't even know how this goes, but I'm going to try to figure this out without looking at the instructions. And the reason I'm doing that is because that shows you like how simple it is. Now I don't know if it goes this way. Let's see. Let's go this way. And the beads are, whatever this is, it's not that tangly. So I don't know if I'm doing this right as far as the top part. Okay. Is this how it goes now? Oh wait, it may be how it goes. Oh yeah, I can deal with this. Baby, I can deal. Oh yes, 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 yes. I love it. I know this is not all you have to do. There's gotta be something else. And let me tell y'all what I did do. So yesterday, y'all know what you can do is actually put this on your phone. Like you can manage this tree with your phone. Tell me that is not ultimate. That's the ultimate thing right there. We all be on these phones. It's so simple. Like, this is really simple. I like this. I know this thing don't rotate, but it's moving. I had a rotating tree some years ago. When I tell you that thing was some work, I said, Now, just like I'm telling y'all, I'm not good at setting stuff up. I never do this. I always get my sons or somebody to do it. But when I tell you this was simple and easy, and I did not have to even use instructions. And sometimes I have to like use instructions for a regular tree. It's almost like they made it to make your life easier. So I don't know if I'm doing this right. Y'all know what? So these little lights or whatever that's going to be on the tree, you just have to separate them, and it's not a lot of work to separate them, and it's not tangly like the regular lights. Like you have to go through, I don't know what to untangle the Christmas lights. I'm telling y'all, it's a job in itself. Like then you have to put it back up for after the holidays. No sir, I don't want to do that this year. Okay, and And this tree came with a topper. And if you're looking at price, let me just tell y'all that I think the price was like $179, but they have coupons, and we pay like that much for regular trees a lot of times. Like, I've known for the trees that I have had that cost way more than that. So this was a steal. This really was a good deal. I would have bought this tree myself, like with my own money. I would have bought it. So we are going to see, as soon as I find a plug, we're going to see how it works. Oh, where's my water jar? Hold on, y'all. Let me go get a extension cord because the one where I'm at is too short. Okay, so I am going to plug this joker up and we're going to see what happens. Oh my goodness! Okay, so this is gorgeous, y'all. So gorgeous. I love this. Oh my God, this is so pretty. It was so easy, y'all. Koopower, y'all got me. I'm sold. I ain't buy. You know what? I might have to buy a Christmas tree next year because I am going to definitely use this. I am not buying another Christmas tree. This is it. This is it for me. Like, for real. Okay. Shut up. Shut up. So y'all can't see that, but let me show it to you. Look at that. See, this is my Christmas tree. Okay, Glam fam, so this is the tree and this is my phone. I have hooked the tree up to my phone. So with this app that they tell you can either use the barcode or you can use the app or whatever to download. But what it does is it controls the tree. So look at how the different colors. This is so cool, y'all. Okay, also you can get different things like explosion. This is explosion, where the lights like go down in the design. The chase, that is so cute and so different. Y'all, this was so easy to put up. I really enjoyed this. This is one of the best things that I have ever reviewed. Like, I'm so impressed with this tree. I'm impressed with the shipping. I'm impressed with the lightweight. I'm impressed with everything, the whole entire tree, y'all. This is amazing. So you can go here and you can do things like your little heart. It's going to show on the other side. You can do different little things with it. It's so cool. Look at that. That's the heart. That's the skull. It's just different things you can do. So here, this is your music, and of course I don't have a lot of stuff downloaded to my phone. I am definitely going to do it now. So you can play it and it moves to the beat of the music. Ain't that cute? That is so cute. I love it. I am taking this tree to the cabins with us. We're going on the 26th, so I'm taking the tree with us so we can like really enjoy it and get to know how to really work it, download things on it, so we can, and you can even draw or make your own design on the tree. How cool is that? This is something that you can do with the kids and the family. So y'all, I am so impressed with Koopower with this tree. This tree is not just for Christmas, but it's an event tree. Like, it's for any event. It doesn't even matter. It's for year-round events. So just because Christmas has passed does not mean that you cannot get this tree. And also, they have, I think, discounts and everything on Amazon. You can get this tree on Amazon. I am going to place the link in the description so you all can refer to it to see what their discounts are. So y'all, I am so impressed. Kudos to Koopower. Thank you so much for allowing me to review this tree. I am so impressed. So y'all have a good day. Thank you, and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more Glam DIYs.